Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you have administrator access and a quick backup. This protects you if the new theme breaks. Once logged in, navigate to Appearance then Themes. You'll see active and available themes. If the theme isn't listed, click Add New and search or upload the ZIP. You do this now so you can immediately install before activating. Make sure to note any active theme customizer settings or widgets you might need to restore later. You install the theme by pressing Install and then choose Live Preview. This shows your content inside the new design without changing the live site. Once in the customizer, inspect site identity, menus, widgets, and homepage settings because themes often require reassigning these. Make sure plugins, especially page builders, remain compatible. Toggle them on in a staging environment if unsure. If the preview looks right, you're ready to activate. Otherwise, adjust settings or try a different theme. You activate the theme when you're satisfied with the preview and have mapped menus and widgets to their new locations. Activation flips the design live. After activation, walk through key pages to confirm layouts, forms, and functionality. Once done, clear any caching and test on mobile and desktop. If something breaks, first clear caches and disable recently added plugins. If unresolved, revert to your backup or switch back to the old theme and troubleshoot in a staging copy. That single step saves time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.